What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes, body and looks matter to boys a lot. Body positivity is just promoting obesity. कुछ नहीं रखा है लड़कों में, ठीक है? Oh my god, you're like a celebrity. I want to date with a celebrity. I am gonna fail this. अब ना यार मेरे को शादी करनी है, ठीक है? मैं स्कैम करता हूँ लोगों को. मैं उनको अपना जीजा जी मान चुकी हूँ. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vaishnavi Thakur and आज हम करने वाले हैं Q&A. So one day ago I posted a community post on YouTube जिसमें मैंने पूछा था कि आप मुझसे कुछ हटके से सवाल पूछना. I have 130 questions, okay? I'm gonna try and answer all of them, so stick to the end. Sorry in advance अगर आप आज की वीडियो स्टोरी टाइम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे. बस मैंने ये सोचा कि अभी साल खत्म हो रहा है तो let's just not ruminate on the past. Let's just do something different. I will continue story time going into 2026. So first, let's get to the questions. Okay, so Ani1209 has asked, what scares you more, being forgotten or being misunderstood forever? Being misunderstood forever, because I think मैं उसको जीऊंगी कि मैं कुछ भी करूँ सामने वाला समझ ही नहीं रहा है. बट अगर कोई मुझे भूल जाता है तो ठीक है, वो भूल जाए, कोई बात नहीं. मैं या तो मर चुकी हूँ या तो मैं उसकी लाइफ से बाहर हो चुकी हूँ, इसलिए तो मुझे भूल गया है. सो आई थिंक द सेकंड वन स्केयर्स मी द मोस्ट. हाउ डिड यू गेट आउट ऑफ द इनसिक्योरिटीज एंड गेन कॉन्फिडेंस? वेल, आई वुड क्रेडिट दैट टू माय थाईलैंड ट्रिप. मैंने पहले भी बहुत बार ये बोला हुआ है. सो मैं हमेशा से ऐसी थी कि कुछ भी ना फैशनेबल कपड़े बिल्कुल नहीं पहनती थी. बट जब 2022 में हम थाईलैंड गए थे तब आई फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एवर वोर अ ड्रेस, वोर अ बिकिनी, वो भी इन पब्लिक. एंड उसके बाद से मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस जस्ट स्काई रॉकेटेड. सो मुझे जेन्युइनली लगता है कि इफ समथिंग स्केयर्स यू, यू शुड गो एंड डू इट. वेयरिंग समथिंग रिवीलिंग, वेयरिंग समथिंग बोल्ड always used to scare me. So I kept doing it and I keep doing it even today. So that मेरी जो insecurity है वो खत्म हो जाए and I feel more confident in my own skin. I have a crush but I am too scared to approach him. मत करो approach, कुछ नहीं रखा है लड़कों में, ठीक है? अगर वो तुम में interested है तो वो खुद से तुम्हें approach करते हैं. अगर तुम में interested नहीं है और अगर आप उनके पीछे पड़ोगे तो आप उनके हमेशा पीछे पड़ते ही जाओगे. Let him approach. Let him take the charge. Let him take the lead. Otherwise, you're just gonna feel कि यार सारे efforts तो मैं ही डालती हूँ, ये कुछ डाल क्यों नहीं रहा है. Someone has asked what's my first period story. So situation ऐसी थी because मेरी बहन में से बड़ी थी. Of course, she got her period first. And I used to feel like something is wrong with me because मुझे क्यों नहीं हो रहे हैं ये periods. And अगर मेरे classmates में किसी को periods start हो जाते थे तो I used to feel like oh my god, like something is wrong with me. मेरे क्यों नहीं शुरू हो रहे हैं? Is it because I'm fat? All these thoughts used to cross my mind. But for all the young girls out there, your period will start in your own time, just like everything else in life. So yeah, I mean that is my first period story. मुझे इतना पेन वेन नहीं हुआ था. I was very scared कि what is happening. And मेरे को लगता था मेरी बॉडी से सारा खून निकल तो नहीं जाएगा. But no, ऐसा नहीं होता है. We don't bleed that much. I'm not an expert on gynecology, but अपने personal experience से मैं आपको इतना ही बता सकती हूँ. Has fame ever made you doubt that the love you receive is genuine? In all honesty, no, because the people that I hang out with or the boyfriends that I've had, they were mature enough to not let it interfere with genuine love and feelings. But yes, I was on a couple of dates where the guy was like, oh my god, you're like a celebrity. I want to date with a celebrity. And then there are these telltale signs that this person is just very like, you know, oh my god, oh my god. तो वो वाले लोगों को मैं डेट नहीं करती हूँ and I just like keep my distance from them. When you log off and the camera is gone, what keeps you grounded? To be honest, I think the camera is never gone and I don't mean कि हमेशा सब कुछ फिल्म ही करती रहती हूँ, but in this way कि everything looks like a content lens, okay? The camera is not just this camera. The camera is this is the camera. So this just doesn't stop, okay? But what keeps me grounded is just like spending time with Mocha, reading books, watching TV series, playing video games. And मेरे को ना बहुत diverse चीजें करने का शौक है. जैसे मेरे को अभी बड़ा मन कर रहा है कि मैं boxing सीख लूँ. तो पता नहीं क्यों I just feel like मेरे को boxing करने हैं इस साल. So I might just, you know, join a class or something. So I like to keep myself engaged in activities. What thought do you have during burnout that you never say out loud? That I'm not good enough. That I am gonna fail this. I'm just not creative enough. I'm not cut out for this. Just self-doubt. From your dating experience, do you really think body and looks matter to boys? Yes, body and looks matter to boys a lot, okay? But they don't matter to a man, like a real man, okay? A real man would see through your external persona and he would see your soul, how beautiful you are, how kind you are, how compassionate you are, all your other qualities, okay? So अगर कोई तुमको looks के basis पे judge कर रहा है या looks के basis पे reject कर रहा है, walk away. Your biggest heartbreak. मेरा breakup जो last year हुआ था 25th December 2024, that was the biggest heartbreak I've ever had and it took me a long time to get over it. This is a very interesting one. If being honest cost you half your audience, what truth will you say? The truth is sometimes it feels like the person who's speaking to everyone, the person who's making this content is different from me. It's a different side of me. The sassy one, the confident one, the one who's extremely secure in herself one. Some days I don't feel that. And I feel that I am actually different and this is a different person. And I want to be this person, the person everyone looks up to. So yeah, मेरे को ना एकदम identity crisis आ जाता है कभी कभी. I still have to talk about it in therapy, but what do you guys think? Do you ever feel like if I will lose weight, I will look more beautiful? Of course, all the time. I do feel this way because you see these reels, these people talking about, oh my God, people will only respect you if you are lean or if you take care of your body, and body positivity is just promoting obesity. You are unhealthy, you are at risk for heart diseases, blah 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 blah. ये सब बहुत ज़्यादा सुनने को मिलता है. तो लगता है यार कि यार करते क्या, बस एक बारी में करके खत्म कर देते हैं, But that is the thing. I don't want to start off like that, okay? Because I know I'm not going to be able to sustain it because it is a lifestyle choice. And जब तक वो lifestyle मैं adapt नहीं कर पाती हूँ, जब तक मेरा mindset वहाँ पे नहीं पहुँच रहा है, तब तक I feel कि the least I can do for myself is just love myself for the way I am. And I am beautiful. When do you feel most sad in life? I feel sad a lot of times, okay? But the most sad I think I've felt in a while is whenever I imagine Mocha going away or like leaving this world. It's very sad. I just can't imagine my life without him. I love him from the bottom of my heart and I'll do anything for my baby. So that makes me very sad if I think about it. What's been your worst date ever? So I won't tell a worst date story. I will tell a worst encounter story. A guy I met on Hinge. So this guy is like, showing me pictures of his room and is saying, oh my God, मैं कितना अमीर हूँ. I was like, oh my God, like, yeah, you're very rich. Like, how do you have like a Rolex? How do you have such expensive things in your home? And he used to text me all the time, okay? पूरा टाइम मुझसे बात भी करता था, but इतना सारा पैसा भी कमा रहा था, वो भी इतनी कम एज में. So I was like, bro, तेरे पापा अमीर है क्या? And he was like, no. Like, then what do you do for your work? And he was like, मैं बताऊंगा कभी, थोड़ा complicated है. मैंने कहा कि चलो ठीक है. तो मैं 3-4 दिन उससे बात की. एंड देन आई वाज लाइक यार कुछ ज्यादा ही मतलब रिस्पॉन्सिव है और इतना ऐसे बेड में लेटा है, टीवी देख रहा है, कैसे? ऐसे मेरे को बता भाई, मेरे को जानना है कि तू क्या कर रहा है क्योंकि मुझे भी करना है यार. He told me just Google my name. I was like why? And he was like you'll find my name in the latest news. Then I Googled him and at the same time he sent me a voice note saying कि मेरा एक ऑपरेशन है जो कि इलीगल है, मैं स्कैम करता हूँ लोगों को, मैं इलीगल एक्टिविटी कर रहा हूँ एंड मेरा अभी अभी एक ऑपरेशन बस्ट हुआ था एंड आई हैड टू मूव माई ऑपरेशन समवेयर एल्स. आई जस्ट स्कैन सम पासवर्ड्स एंड मैं पैसे चुराता हूँ या फिर मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग करता हूँ, समथिंग लाइक दैट. एंड आई हैव जस्ट शिफ्टेड माई बेस. अब अलग बेस से हम ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं. तो अभी अभी जो गुड़गांव में बस्ट हुआ था उसका न्यूज तुम देख लेना. एंड आई वाज लाइक What the fuck? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm talking to a criminal. Oh my God! उसको जेल भी हुई थी, वो बेल पे बाहर है. I was like, hi, is this person on Hinge? I was like, oh my God, I'm shaking, and I just like blocked him. Like, bhai, no, okay, no, I'm a very noble person. Please go away. What advice will you give to someone who is suffering from what you have suffered in life earlier, like being left out in a group, body shaming, and all such things? I would just say 2 things. One, be very confident and secure in your body. If you're fat, that does not make you less than others. If you look a little bigger than the girls in your classroom, it is okay. You deserve friendship. You deserve love. And friendship के लिए ना तुम्हें भी effort लेना पड़ता है. तुम अपने side से effort लो. And if that is not an option, just focus on your studies. Your career and you yourself will take you to places that you can never imagine. And that's what it has done for me as well. What is a major change or incident that happened this year to you and your experience from it? एक तो I think मैंने Instagram पे डाला हुआ है the 5-part dating disaster story. It was very painful for me, okay? But apart from that, last year जैसे मैंने बताया मेरा breakup हुआ था and my personality has changed, okay? I started my own page. I've become more confident. I have become more secure in my own body, in my own self. I used to be this very naive, bhola person. किसी को उल्टा जवाब नहीं देती थी. If somebody is like walking over me, I used to just, cry about it. But I have toughened up, and how? Sometimes I can't believe that this is me. I have become very kick-ass in life. And I think that's a good change. वरना मैं बहुत ऐसे सहमी सी होती थी. And, people used to call me a doormat for that. What motivates you when you are in your lowest? Ka-ching! पैसा अकाउंट में जब आता है तब ऐसे मोटिवेशन आती है, ऐसे. तो अगर आपको कोई सुपर थैंक्स से सुपर चैट दे रहा है तो प्लीज दे दो यार इस वीडियो में. बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है मेरा मूड, ऐसे ठीक हो जाएगा. Are you going to start dating disaster again? It was super interesting and it was super lovely to have an internet big sister like you who gives real dating advice. Yes, I'm going to start dating disasters again. There's a reason why I stopped. पहली बात, मुझे बहुत ज्यादा हेट मिल रहा था. पीपल वर अज्यूमिंग कि मैं हर दिन किसी नए बंदे के साथ डेट पे जा रही हूँ, विच इज नॉट ट्रू. जिस टाइम पे वीडियोस रिलीज होते हैं आपको ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत ज्यादा क्लोजली ये डेट्स पे जा रही है. इनफैक्ट रेडिट पे थ्रेड्स है मेरे बारे में, इतनी गंदी चीजें लिखी हैं लोगों ने, एंड इट गॉट टू मी ऑनेस्टली. एंड सेकेंडली, अब ना यार मेरे को शादी करनी है, ठीक है. आई वांट टू डेट समवन जिससे मैं शादी कर पाऊँ इवेंचुअली, बिकॉज लाइक मेरा करियर एक ट्रैक पे है ऑलरेडी. मुझे पता है मुझे क्या करना है. आई डू वांट अ पार्टनर टू शेयर माई लाइफ विथ नाउ. ओके, आई एम एट दैट स्टेज. सो इसीलिए मैं किसी को ज्यादा टाइम दे ही नहीं पा रही हूँ, या फिर मैं किसी से टॉकिंग स्टेज से आगे बढ़ ही नहीं पा रही हूँ, बिकॉज मुझे पता है कि मुझे द वन चाहिए, एंड ये बंदा द वन में फिट हो ही नहीं रहा है. ओके, सो आई एम लाइक रिजेक्टिंग पीपल लाइक दिस. सो मैं 1-2 दिन हिंद चलाती हूँ, फिर मैं वापस अपने काम पे फोकस करती हूँ, एंड मैं एक्चुअली खुश हूँ. ब्रेक लिया था डेटिंग से. आई थिंक इट्स गुड ओनली. This is very interesting. Have you ever pretended not to be jealous, but actually you felt jealous? If you felt, tell with whom and why. Now, this is a very sensitive topic and I've actually never spoken about it and I really didn't even want to. But मेरे को लगता है कि मैं जितना बात करती हूँ अपने problems या insecurities के बारे में, I kind of look at them with a distance and I kind of get over it. So yes, I have felt jealousy like any other human being. And पहली बात तो पता है, हम jealousy को एक बहुत ही negative नजरिए से देखते हैं कि oh my god, तुम jealous है, you're so shallow. That's not it. Okay, jealousy is a word given to an emotion that you feel. इतना नीचा हमने दिखाया है उस emotion को. What is jealousy? Let's talk about that first. Okay, jealousy is there's one person in front of me and I feel like she has X but I don't have X. I also want X. Okay, she has, let's say, $100,000. I also want $100,000. This is jealousy. That's it. Okay, इसके ऊपर इसके पास क्यों है, ये डिजर्व नहीं करती है, इसके सारे पैसे चले जाएं, इसकी लाइफ से एक्स चले जाएं, ये सारी बद्दुआएं हैं. ये जेलसी नहीं है, ठीक है. बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज यूज टू कंफ्यूज दीज टू इमोशंस. आई यूज टू फील अगर मैं जेलस हूं तो मैं ये सारी चीजें भी फील करती हूँ, बट ये ट्रू नहीं होता है. आई यूज टू फील जेलस ऑफ माई सिस्टर बिकॉज एट सम पॉइंट इन टाइम शी हैड एवरीथिंग. ओके, और ये बहुत पुरानी बात है. शी हैड हर बॉयफ्रेंड, शी हैड अ वेरी good stable job in corporate, she was making much more money than me and I used to feel like यार मेरे को भी चाहिए ये सब. मेरी जॉब में कोई सिक्योरिटी नहीं है, मैं कंटेंट क्रिएटर हूँ, मेरे को ढंग के पैसे नहीं आ रहे हैं, मेरी लाइफ में कोई बंदा भी नहीं है, मेरा क्या होगा. She was very hot also, so I used to feel कि यार उसकी बॉडी इतनी अच्छी है, मुझे भी ऐसी बॉडी चाहिए. So I used to feel these things. And yes, that is jealousy, but I got over it because I know that सबकी journey अलग होती है and comparison is the happiness killer. Note down, bitches. This is again very interesting. I've been with my boyfriend for some time and I'm extremely scared of intimacy with him because I'm very insecure of my body parts. I have very dark armpits, severe acne on my back. I am assuming everyone who's watching this video is at least 15, 16, okay? Until this point of time, I think everyone has watched porn. What we actually see is a film, okay? It is not real. It has unrealistic beauty standards. Certain body parts are dark by nature, okay? And to be honest, men know that. And honestly, they don't care. And like I've said, for anything in life, the thing that you fear the most, go ahead and do it. And you will feel very confident after that. So it is time to face your fears if you want to. Be safe for sure, if you know what I mean. And just don't do anything that you don't want to do. That is going to be my advice. Someone has asked, what do you think about the Google guy? Describe him in one word. To me, he is Jiju. मैं उनको अपना जीजा जी मान चुकी हूँ. He is so sweet. He is very kind. One word में I would say perfect for my sister. Asa has asked, what is the one quality that a girl can see, judge and decide if he's the one? Well, he is the one. सबके लिए अलग हो सकता है. मेरे लिए I think सबसे बड़ा डील ब्रेकर है कि अगर मुझे वो रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करता है एंड अगर मेरी फ्रीडम को रेस्ट्रिक्ट करता है. आई एम अ वेरी फ्री स्पिरिटेड पर्सन, ओके? मेरे को वही करना है जो मुझे करना है, ठीक है? एंड अगर कोई भी मुझे बोलता है कि ये तुमको करना ही पड़ेगा और अगर मुझे नहीं करना है तो हमारा नहीं जमेगा, ठीक है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन माई लास्ट रिलेशनशिप, माई एक्स बॉयफ्रेंड्स पेरेंट्स वर वेरी रिलीजियस, ओके? आई एम नॉट, ओके? मैं भगवान में मानती भी नहीं हूँ, मैं स्पिरिचुअल हूँ. आई बिलीव इन अ हायर पावर, बट आई डोंट बिलीव इन वर्शिपिंग. ओके, मैं जब भी मंदिर जाती हूँ मुझे बहुत ज्यादा कॉन्फ्लिक्टेड फील होता है. देखो ना, ऐसी घुटन होती है कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, ये दिस इज नॉट व्हाट आई वांट टू डू. आई लाइक द पीस अराउंड इट, बट I just can't bring myself to go to मंदिर and pray and do pujas and stuff. But मेरे को ये बोला गया था कि मुझे पूजा पाठ करना ही पड़ेगा. So यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है. Okay, it should be my choice. It should not be forced upon me. So ये मेरे डील ब्रेकर्स है. तो तुम अपने हिसाब से, तुम्हें जैसा बनना चाहिए तुम वैसे डील ब्रेकर्स सेट कर लो. समर has asked कि आपके काफी डेटिंग डिजास्टर्स हमने देखे हैं. I just want to know how many of them actually focused on your body. No one talked about my body on the first date. No one fat shamed me. Everyone just pointed out how hot I was looking, or how beautiful I look, or how gorgeous my dress is. So yeah, like, men really don't care as long as you are walking with confidence, like you own the fucking room. No one is gonna care. Have the bad dating experiences made you reflect? Yes, मैं think reflective mode में ही हूँ अभी. It makes me feel like मैं ऐसे dates पे क्यों जा रही हूँ जहाँ पे मेरे को ना ऐसे, मतलब like I'm settling for something, you know, like okay, कोई बात नहीं, like I'm lowering my standards. तो मैं वो क्यों कर रही हूँ, मुझे ये काफी बार फील होता है. हाँ, and मैं बहुत एनालाइज भी करती हूँ कि अच्छा ये बोला था, ये हुआ था, अच्छा तो मुझे ये बोलना चाहिए था, मुझे वो बोलना चाहिए था. तो ये मैं करती रहती हूँ. Something which you will change in 2026 and you will advise others to do so too. I think it's going to be going regularly for exercise. मैंने काफी ज्यादा exercise किया है 2025 में as compared to 2024. Either I go to the gym in the morning or I play badminton in the evening. So yes, I love to keep my body moving because you know what happens is when the shoot hours are very long, मेरी knees में pain हो जाता है या फिर मेरे ankle में pain हो जाता है, and I hate it. Okay, I want better stamina. I want better strength in my foot. Right, which is why I like to keep my body moving, and that does not mean कि मैं unfit हूँ या unhealthy हूँ. So don't fat shame me for this. तुम खड़े रहो 10 घंटा, फिर बताना तुम्हारा पैर दुखता है कि नहीं दुखता है. A lot of people want to know what has been my most embarrassing moment. यार, मेरे embarrassing moments में ज्यादातर ऐसे हुआ है कि या तो मैं वॉशरूम से बाहर आई हूँ, I'm completely naked or I'm half naked and someone sees it, okay, and it's generally some worker who has come or some friend of mine, and it is extremely embarrassing. I'm like, मेरे को देखना नहीं है तुम्हारी तरफ, वैसा सीन आता है. Someone has asked, are you still doing YouTube because you love it or you don't know what you will be without it? I'm doing it because I love it. Because I know that I can do anything that I want in life. Because मुझे पता है कि मैं बहुत capable हूँ, ठीक है. अगर मैंने आज पढ़ाई शुरू कर दी तो अपन IIM अहमदाबाद करेगा क्रैक. अपने आप को भरोसा है अपने पे, ठीक है. So I'm doing this because I love it. I love the love that you guys give me. I love making videos. I love the fame that I get with it. I love when I go out, I have to be like all ready because कभी भी कोई भी मुझे spot कर सकता है, मेरे साथ फोटो खिंचा सकता है. So I love all of that. What incident forced you to be confident? Like we can sense it from the video that you have a lot of confidence, or is the confidence just for the video? I already took this up in this video, but I still want to highlight this, that I broke free from my shackles once I wore bikini in Thailand. I think that was a turning point in my life. Some days, yes, I do feel underconfident. I feel insecure in my body. But most of the days, the confidence that you see is the confidence that I carry with myself. I have a boyfriend, but he's not giving me time, attention, care, pampering, things all the girls want. Whenever I call him, he doesn't pick up my call, and he calls me after some times and starts giving me excuses. He always tells me how much he loves me, but I'm not feeling the same like before. What should I do? Asa, I think you already know the answer to this because you have said that you don't feel the same as before. I don't know the entire story, how long you guys have been together. But from my experience, if a guy is treating you like an option, or if a guy is not giving you enough time and attention without good reason, then I think it's time for you to choose yourself. कितना compromise करोगे, कितना adjust करोगे, कितना ज़्यादा उसको room दोगे for error. If the person does not know that he's not giving you time, if he's not even apologetic about it, why are you with this person? You will find someone better. The worst reason to stay with someone is this, okay? That you are afraid that you will not find someone else or someone better. So let's just settle for what I have in this moment. ये सबसे बेकार रीजन है टू बी इन अ रिलेशनशिप विद समवन. ट्रस्ट योरसेल्फ, ट्रस्ट द यूनिवर्स. अगर आपने इस हाथ में भी करेला पकड़ा है, इस हाथ में भी करेला पकड़ा है, तो कैसे काजू कतली की जगह बनेगी आपकी जिंदगी में? मुझे बताओ, कैसे पकड़ोगे काजू कतली को? अगर भगवान बोलता है कि आज मैं तुमको काजू कतली देना चाहता हूँ, क्या कैसे पकड़ोगे? आपके हाथ में तो करेला है. छोड़ोगे तभी तो हाथ खाली होगा, तभी तो यू वुड बी इन अ पोजिशन टू रिसीव समथिंग बिगर देन व्हाट यू थॉट वाज योर प्लान. Okay, trust the God's plan, even though I don't believe in God. Like, I'm very confused about it, okay? But fuck it. Trust the universe's plan. It is bigger than your plan. I think the video is very very long, so I'm just gonna cut it short here. If you guys want a part 2, please let me know, comment करके बताओ. And I'm actually thinking of starting dating therapy, जहाँ पे आप अपने dating problems या अपने dating life के बारे में advice चाहिए, वो आप मुझे email कर सकते हो या फिर नीचे दिए गए form में fill कर सकते हो. And I will create a video about it, addressing your problem and helping you find solutions and navigate your dating life. Let me know if you guys want me to do something like that. Thank you so much for watching this video. A very very happy new year. 2025 में जैसे मुझे सपोर्ट किया था, प्लीज 2026 में वैसे ही सपोर्ट करना. I want to reach 1 million by the end of 2026. That's the goal, you guys. Come on, let's make it happen. Love you. Thank you so much. Bye.